Hello, my name is Aidan King and I attend the Bridgeport Regional Aquaculture Science and Technology Education Center. My project is utilizing rooftop gardens as a means of geothermal cooling for buildings through ground-to-air heat transfer systems. My goal for my project is to maximize the insulation effects of rooftop gardens using the ground-to-air heat transfer system. As the acceleration of climate change continues, several countries are looking for sustainable ways to cool buildings. Common non-sustainable practices only further increase the impact of climate change and are also not cost-effective. Using rooftop gardens to cool and heat buildings would mitigate long-term costs and the negative effects traditional cooling has on the climate. This would also allow areas that cannot afford traditional cooling systems to implement a long-lasting way to cool and heat their buildings without having to face long-term financial issues. Many cooling and heating methods are not feasible in an urban setting. Rooftop gardens do not take up already crowded horizontal space in the urban setting. Ground-to-air heat transfer systems, known as earth tubing, are an incredibly effective and commonly used means of geothermal cooling. The potential implementation of ground-to-air heat transfer systems will maximize the cooling and heating effects that rooftop gardens contain. Once said properties are maximized, rooftop gardens will be readily used as reliable means of heating and cooling. As a qualified scientist, my mentor, Mr. Shadle, has ensured safety protocols surrounding my project. This project is entirely independent and my own idea. I am constructing a model building with insulation and a rooftop garden above it. A PVC tubing system will be running through the soil of the garden and into the model building. As air is pushed through the tubing by an inline duct fan, heat transfer will occur. Temperature will be monitored by vernier probes, both outside and inside the building, to show differences. A thermal camera will also be used to show where within the soil heat transfer is occurring. Thank you.